Alright guys, so to make your awache stew, of course you need all your ingredients. I just laid them right here so you guys will have the idea. Okay, so first I'm gonna go through them and you guys will see what I'm using. Okay, so first I have my peppers, you know, green, yellow, red pepper. On this side I have some Kpakposhito. Yes, I'm gonna add that as well. I have habanero, cloves of garlic, ginger, 2 red onion, 4 fresh tomatoes, and this is 400 grams of tomato paste. This is Dereka. You know how much I love Dereka, guys. And my seasoning, guys, and also don't forget about your oil. I have my oil on this side. And my seasoning, I have some curry powder, salt. The other side I have some bay leaves. I have oregano, you know, with that seasoning. I have Anise seeds, that's Nketekete, that's what we call it in Ghana. I have some Cayenne Pepper, and of course moustache on that side as well. Okay, so this is all the ingredients that I'm going to use to make the awache stew, guys. After I'm done, guys, as you can see here, I have my meat here. Of course, when you prepare awache, you have to make sure you have meat that's going to go with it. So I have some, this one is kotodwe, that is cow feet on this side, and I have cow skin also. They are all cooked, and I have my beef on this side too. So basically I am going to fry the beef because the rest is okay to go straight to the stew. So with the kind of seasoning that I use some onion, garlic, ginger, and also salt, and you know, that's it, you know, to steam it. So I basically cook it overnight, and then I have my stock ready that's gonna go to the stew as well. So this is what I did. You know, when you cook it overnight and leave it there, the meat become tender, and that is what you want. Okay, so always try and cook your meat overnight. Okay guys, so this is how it is. So yeah guys, let's get started. Alright guys, so I have my blender on this side, as you can see. So I'm going to throw everything in there. Okay, we are going to blend all of these together. Okay, so that's what I am doing. Put everything in there, then blend it. Well, the onion, I'm gonna leave half because I am going to use this later. Yeah. Everything in there, so I'm not gonna add any water. Okay, just keep it the way it is, and then we are going to blend it. Alright guys, so now I have my oil in the pot. Okay, it's hot, so I am going to fry the beef. Okay, as I said in the video, I'm going to fry the beef first. You know, with the beef, it don't take too long to cook. You know, so yeah, I always fry them first. And guys, I'm making a lot of awache stew, okay? And with this awache stew, you can also, guys, you can also like use some to make jollof rice. You can also, you know, eat some with normal white rice. You can eat it with yam. Okay, so this is very important. It's a lot of stew, of course, you know, I'm making. So yeah, I'm just gonna let the beef fried until it turns like a darkish look. Yeah, then it should be ready. Alright, so I think my beef is ready now. So I'm just gonna take all of them out. You can see it's very beautiful. Guys, I forgot to mention that I got some boiled egg. I'm gonna fry them as well. So now eggs are all done, so I'm gonna add my diced onion. And also make sure you let it cook like halfway, so not all the way. Okay, so I want to add my tomato paste right now. Make sure you mix it very well. Yeah, allow it to cook for 5 minutes before you add your the fresh tomatoes or your vegetables. Okay, so watch it see with the very nice come on. Alright guys, so it's been 5 minutes. As you can see, it has absorbed the oil. Okay, the stew, yeah, looking very nice. So I'm gonna add my blended vegetables right here, fresh ingredients. And also guys, I added about a half teaspoon of anise seeds, and I blended with this, so just in case I'm gonna add it to it. Okay, and at this point I'm gonna add some of my spices. So I have cayenne pepper. I'm gonna add about a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Dash, a half teaspoon. Oregano, a half teaspoon. And also guys, I'm gonna add about just a half teaspoon of salt as well, just to begin with. Now you're gonna stir it. Okay, before guys, let me add my tomato. This is the stock from my meat, so let me add that one as well. Yeah, this is the stock. Normally the stock I keep it, when I'm gonna make like jollof rice, that's what I use, but hey, that's okay. So I'm just gonna cover this and then let it cook for about 45 minutes, and then we will add the rest of the ingredients, guys. I'm studio too, guys. Me fear how you Papa kitchen sham. Oh, Papa bio. So guys, this stew is about done. As you can see, it has already reduced the amount. So I'm gonna add some my curry powder. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and I will add my bay leaves on this side. Sorry, yeah. And also I need just a little bit of salt. I tasted the salt. I think it needs just a little bit. Okay, feel free and add it if you need it. So I'm gonna add just, you know, a little bit to taste. Now I have another diced onion on this side. I'm going to add that as well. Okay. Just give it a little stir. You still need to cook more, but just gonna add a few ingredients, you know, so this stew will be. Now, and let me go ahead and add my meat. This is the cow foot, and then the cow skin. Okay. Let's go ahead and add it. Like I said, guys, I'm making a lot of stew. See, that is a lot. Okay. So yeah. And then I'm gonna add my beef. And then the egg, okay, and then I'm gonna reduce the heat, and I'm gonna put it to low. So if you have your stove, you have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I think, and then you go to the highest. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on 2, and then I'm gonna allow it to, you know, just steam and cook gradually for about 10 minutes, and then it should be done, guys. This is the WAAKYE stew. So it's still a bit deeper, as you can see, guys. So yeah, let's wait for a little bit. Okay, stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, so our WAAKYE stew is done, finally done. As you can see, it's looking very nice. Bia menam wom kama kotodwe, me kind of saying chinam, osuya, plain, everything is in this stew. It's looking very, very yummy and delicious. So soon I'm going to do another video about how to make the perfect WAAKYE, okay? So I'll show you guys in this video. This is how I make my perfect, authentic, roadside restaurant WAAKYE stew, okay, guys? With this stew, remember you cannot just eat with WAAKYE, you can also eat with white rice, yam, kenke, okay? You can even use some to make your jollof rice if you want to. Yeah, because this is more like a universal stew, okay, guys? So thank you so much. I hope you like this recipe. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and for those who has not subscribed yet, please feel free and hit the subscribe button, and also make sure you hit the bell, okay, close the subscribe button, so whenever I upload the video you will have something to watch, okay, guys? So thank you all so much. Enjoy this recipe, make some for your family, okay, and they will be very, very happy, and they will enjoy this as well. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Enjoy roadside WAAKYE stew. Happy OBAAPA kitchen, special made. Alright, guys, bye bye.